How to verify Greenlight card to Apple Pay? Well, this is very easy thing to do. This is the official website of Green Card. To access it, you have to click on the top right side corner, get started, enter your valid US phone number to do it. So it's very easy thing to do. So here I have made step-by-step tutorial. Open your Apple Wallet, right? Open the wallet app on your iPhone, iPad. So this app is pre-installed. So usually you will find it in your iOS devices. Tap on Add Card. In the Wallet app, tap on the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen, right? And follow the screen instructions. So it will ask you to credit or debit card as the type of card you want to add. Then follow on-screen instruction to enter your Greenlight card details manually or use the camera to capture the card details. So then after just few seconds, it will verify your card. After verifying through Greenlight app, in some cases, you need to verify your Greenlight card directly through the Greenlight app. Say prompted, open the Greenlight app and follow the instruction to verify the card from Apple Pay. So here it will complete your verification. Once your verification is completed, it will automatically add it to your Apple Pay. And after your ID is secure, basically it will ask you to use this Face ID, Touch ID to secure it. And once it's done, you can use your green card or Greenlight card over your Apple Pay. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.